In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Access Denied website in Google Chrome. If a website is showing an Access Denied message in Chrome, don't worry. In many cases, this is caused by a temporary browser issue, cached data, or a small glitch with the current session. We're going to go through a few simple things you can do to fix it quickly. First, open Google Chrome on your device and go to the website that was giving you the Access Denied message. Before changing any settings, start with the easiest fix. Close the tab where the website is open, then open the website again in a fresh tab. Sometimes the page fails to load correctly because of a temporary error, and simply reopening it can refresh the connection and solve the problem right away. If you try that and the website is still not working, the next step is to clear your browsing data in Chrome. To do that, tap the three dots in the top corner of Chrome to open the menu, then tap Settings. Inside Settings, go to Privacy and Security, and then tap Delete Browsing Data. This step is helpful because Chrome stores temporary files, cookies, and other browsing information to make websites load faster. But over time, that saved data can become outdated or corrupted, and that can sometimes cause websites to block access or load incorrectly. Deleting browsing data gives Chrome a cleaner start and often fixes website access problems. Go ahead and complete the delete browsing data process. Depending on your device, it may take a few moments. Once it's finished, open Chrome again and try visiting the same website one more time. In many cases, this is enough to remove the error and let the site load normally. If you've done that and you're still having the same problem, the last thing to try is restarting your phone. A restart can clear temporary system issues, refresh your internet connection, and help apps like Chrome work properly again. After your phone turns back on, reopen Chrome and test the website again. So to fix an Access Denied website in Google Chrome, first close the tab and try the website again. Then clear browsing data from the Privacy and Security section in Settings. And if the issue still continues, restart your phone. These simple steps can often solve the problem without needing anything more complicated.